Another device included in the G3 series is the G3 Plus. In case you guys are not aware, Umidigi has released a new budget series called the G3 series, and the series consists of the G3, the G3 Plus, and the G3 Max. I already talked about the G3 Max, mentioning some of its top features and specs. If you want to check it out, there'll be a link in the video description. So the G3 Plus also has a premium leather feel design, just like the Max. On the right side is a power button and volume keys. The power button is embedded with a fingerprint scanner. On the other side is a SIM and SD card slot. And at the back of the phone, there are two camera lenses lined up vertically and a flash. The design of the Umidigi G3 series, like all smartphones included in the G3 series, are highly inspired by the Oppo Reno 8T. I mean, this is the Reno 8T and this is the G3 Plus and the G3 Max. As you can see, these devices look alike. Anyway, let's talk about the other features of this device. So the G3 Plus is 8.8mm thick and it weighs 192 grams, which means that the device is very light and of course very thin. It has a 6.52-inch HD Plus teardrop display with a 60Hz refresh rate. Nothing special about the display, which is expected because it's a budget device, and it is powered by the Unisoc T606 octa-core chip with the ARM Mali G57 GPU for graphics processing. Basically, this device is not great for intense tasks like playing high-end games available on Android, but instead you could use it for basic and less demanding tasks, including browsing, streaming online, making phone calls, etc. The device utilizes 4GB RAM and the device has a 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 1TB via SD. So speaking of cameras, like I mentioned earlier, the device has dual rear camera, a 16MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth camera. The rear camera is capable of recording up to 1080p videos. As for the front facing camera, it's 8MP, which could be used for selfies and video calls. The device is backed up by a 5150mAh battery and it supports 10 watts charging via USB Type-C. So alongside a fingerprint sensor, the device also supports AI face unlock. So other features of the device includes dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.0, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and without forgetting, this device runs on the latest Android 13 operating system. So these are the top specs and features of the Umidigi G3 Plus. I think I'll be comparing this device with the G3 Max to just point out the differences and similarities between the two budget phones. And I expect this device to cost less than $200. I think about $120 is a much more appropriate price for such a device. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.